Alright, today we're going to be reviewing the Fifine AM8 podcast mic. Be used for many other things like gaming, audio, audiobooks, anything like that. As you can see on the bottom of the microphone, there's a black part. It will have a USB-C port. It'll have a XLR port for XLR cable, and there's a headphone jack. Plug in your headset and listen to yourself, or even listen to your computer in general. Okay, so here's a picture of the USB-C cable on the screen right now. Okay, so right here, you're going to see me screwing on the microphone. It's very simple. There's a thread on a base, and then you just line up the black part, and then you twist it to the right as much as you can. There's no way that you could over-tighten it. Just make sure that it's firmly on there. I'm also going to show all of the colors that the microphone comes with. All you would have to do is just tap this sun button on the top of your volume knob. If you tap it, it'll change your color. If you hold it in for, I believe it's 2 seconds, it'll turn off your color if you completely want your color off. So little disclaimer, I kind of forgot. You're going to see a little black part or like a line cutting through the colors. Just ignore that. That's just the cable. There's nothing wrong with the lighting, I promise. All you have to do is just tap it. It'll go red. It will mute itself. And if you tap it again, it'll go green. That means it could hear you and you're talking through it. You want to go down to your speakers icon at the bottom right. You want to right click, press sounds. You want to go to recording. So I'm going to drag this over here. So if you have my exact mic, you're going to see Fifine microphone right here. You're going to want to click it and then set default if it's lighted up like properties right here. You want to right click, press properties. It's not controlled by the properties. It's actually physically controlled on the mic like I mentioned earlier in the video. Just remember that is your top knob. If you turn it right, that is the louder you'll get. If you turn it left, that is the lower you will get. So I'll even do a test example. So I'm going to turn it down right now. And as you can see, I got lower, but as I turn it up right, I'm going to get louder and louder. And especially if I'm talking into the mic, I get very loud. After all that's done, you just want to press OK, OK, and you're done. User settings right here. You want to go to voice and video. You want to go to input device. And if your input sensitivity is going off like right here, that means you already have it set. But if you just want to double check and you have multiple microphones, like my headset for example, and say that the mic isn't plugged in all the way, Fifine microphone here, and it will be set to your input device. And you could even test it too. With all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're returning, I hope all these videos are helping you. Even if you're not returning, I still hope they're helping. We also have a Discord server down below in the description if you'd like to join. Feel free, ask questions. We're all here to help each other out. I try to make these videos as helpful as I possibly can, so that would mean the world to me if you guys subscribe and let me know if I'm helping you out. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and stay safe.